Nice.
The animal store. If I had $100 to spend, or maybe a little more, I'd hurry as fast as my...
This is Paula, the fourth daughter, her fiance Doug, and Kelsey, the fourth grandchild.
She likes me better.
Kelsey, Kelsey,
Wait, let her look at the camera.
hi.
Say hi, Memo.
Say hi, Memo.
Kelsey.
Kelsey's how old? 8 months, 7 months?
8.
8 months.
Kelsey.
Kelsey's 8 months.
Yeah, she's 8.
Oh my, Mama's blowing a bubble.
I just caught on.
Hi, Lauren. This is Lauren. This is daughter number 2, Tina's youngest. Where's Tina?
Tina's right there. I'm gonna go eat.
There's Tina sitting on the couch. Diana,
Thank you. What?
move over a minute.
That is weird.
Lauren,
Kid.
Lauren, go to Mommy, Lauren.
Go see Mommy. Where's Sister Love?
Tina is daughter number 3. 2, sorry, 2.
Tina is the adopted one.
And Brandon is her oldest, and Lauren is the youngest. And that fella right back there is her hubby, Brian.
Ooh, cold.
What? Hey, I'm taking this to California now, guys.
Oh, hello everybody.
So be nice. So be
I better
nice.
fix my hair too.
Do you want my polishing rag in there, Brian?
Yeah, didn't you notice I dyed it?
This is Laura, daughter number 3, and she is nursing Diana's little baby boy,
Move over
Wesley.
here.
Move, Brandon.
Move over here.
Diana's in the other room talking.
Move over here. She's trying to get there.
And
Move.
there's Brandon, that's Tina's little boy,
Don't we look alike?
is Scotty,
She looks more like me than Diana.
Laura's husband, and her little baby boy. How old is Samuel now? 5 months?
He's 17 years old.
We could adopt her and nobody'd ever know that
I know.
she was ours.
Brandon and Lauren.
Hello, are you going to talk to Mama? Samuel. Samuel.
Samuel.
Talk to Mama.
Pass his twins, I think. Just about.
Who?
Brandon and
Lauren.
Brandon and
Samuel is a Scott clone. It's like he had the clone. It's like he got this he must have just got this thing and just cloned him.
Hey, Brandon,
He's like,
shut the door.
hey, I'm serious. I see him and I see Scott.
Brandon, please.
Trying to get Diana to get her youngest from
You
Laura
like your new
so
ball?
I can get a picture of
She nursing my kid.
all of them together.
You like your new ball?
Well, you were gone and the baby needed some milk.
Brandon, He's a traitor.
You know what? I just
He don't care as long as it's a boob.
This is not even.
Okay,
Brings the train.
this is Diana,
This ain't my
the
kid.
oldest daughter number 1. And this is the baby, Wesley, that was nursing on the 3rd daughter.
This is my kid. This name mine, that name mine.
And this is the little girl, their little girl, Alicia.
She just feeds him.
And this is Marty, Diana's husband. And Brandon, we saw earlier, he belongs to Tina. And I'm going to make everybody dizzy. And Brian.
Close up.
Even the camera. Laura does it. She has to do it crazy. It's your birthday? She goes,
Brandon, Alicia, and her daddy.
Did you miss me a bit, didn't you?
There's Tina and Laura.
Those blocks are cool.
And that's Lauren.
Diaper
belongs
wipes. That's
to Tina.
It's almost hot.
And Scotty and Samuel. The baby is Samuel.
Sumo wrestler.
No, it's in the living room. Hello, Kelsey.
Here.
Hi.
Kelsey, you're gonna turn down tea? I didn't think so.
Oh, look at her mouth.
Watch.
Oh, boy. Is that good stuff?
Kelsey.
She knows a camera, don't she?
Mm-hmm.
What?
Did you bring those pictures with you?
Yeah.
Okay, this is Paula. You saw her earlier. She's number 4 daughter. Kelsey
You're big good.
and Doug. Yeah, you tell them, Kelsey Ann. Kelsey Ann. Kelsey Ann. Oh, there. This is he's responsible for this big crew. And Grandma with no phone. Okay, now we got this family together. Samuel, Laura, and Scotty. Uh-oh, Samuel's upset. Don't like this situation. Too much noise. Hi. Say hi, Memo. I want the paper. I want the paper now. Get it. Get the paper. Samuel. Get it. Get that paper, Samuel.
I want to borrow that when you come back from California.
Okay.
Fill up another page or something.
Oh my.
You picked it up.
Uh-huh. Did you ever
I've
see
seen
it?
that before.
He says, I still want the newspaper. I want the newspaper. Samuel. Hi. 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 Hi.
I'm in my underwear because I just peed on myself.
Oh, clunked right in the head. Did you clunk yourself? Did you clunk yourself in the head? Samuel. Hi. Hi. Hi, big boy. Samuel. Hi, baby. Shasta, move. This is Shasta. Kind of a big replacement for Buffy, I guess. We've got 23 minutes and 21 seconds left. Or something like that. Shasta, move. I wish I would have gotten more movies of Buffy. But then I'd just sit and cry, because every time I see one of them, I cry. Got a close-up on that. Shasta, get up!
No.
Shasta's wanting to do the crossword puzzle for Laura.
Get. Go lay down.
Do we need the fly swatter?
Go lay down. Kentucky and Mississippi.
Oh,
I'm all finished.
it's recording. Are you going poo-poos? You going poo-poos?
I think we missed it.
Yeah. dog is shaking the whole floor. It's making the camera shake. Samuel!
Look at my cleavage.
Oh! Just to get that flea, Shasta. What's the matter? What's the matter, baby?
There it is. I want that paper.
Should we tell Mama what's between Kentucky and Mississippi? It's Tennessee.
Came the rain and washed the fire. Out came the sun and dried upon the rain. Itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Do what? Beat stand, that sounds funny.
You know what's going on.
Do it again. There's my, every time I phone, it starts ringing. Later.
Hey.
How do I do this? Hello? This is here. What was going on?
Samuel and Daddy playing.
Squeal! Watch it now. Oh, look at how he's sitting. Oh, Lord.
Yeah, you're sitting. Hey, don't do that. Bye-bye.
That's what I did to him the other day. Baby girl. Hi, baby girl. Kelsey. Say, da 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 da. Where's da 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 da? Hey, baby. Kelsey, say something. Say, Mama. Mama. Look at Grandma. Kelsey. Say, Mama. Say, Mama. Mama. Dada. Say bye-bye. Kelsey. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Kelsey, say bye-bye. How'd you go say bye-bye for Mama? Kelsey. Kelsey. Kelsey.
much about history.
Sit, Pippa.
Chances are you're old enough to have kids in high
Pippa
school.
gets you.
Tell you, they really don't know much about history. It's your typical American kids. This country has a very serious problem. Everyone agrees on that. But the solution? Some think it's even worse.
Looks weird.
What's at stake is not just this country's past,
Go back.
but perhaps its future as well.
She's got Pippa's shoe.
Those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it. Almost 10 years ago, a federal study showed
Civil War was what, in I think the 1960s, somewhere in that period of time.
Civil War was in the
Kiss.
1860s, around that.
Bravo.
Sputnik was,
Hey, pretty girl.
yes.
American teenagers are failing
Kelsey.
history still. Shocked by how much a generation of American kids did not know, the Bush administration funded a $2 million project to draw up national history standards. 3 years later,
Death.
they are. To meet
Where's
these
Dad?
standards, kids should not only know when the Civil War
Dad.
began, but the causes of the war, its effect on the American people, all the people, women,
Dad.
children, blacks, Americans.
Mama.
Lynn Cheney first saw them.
I was appalled. I mean, this is a great waste of taxpayer money.
Cheney personally launched the National Standards Project as chairman of the National Endowment for the Humanities during the Bush administration.
Dad.
Is take a very grim
Where's Dad?
view of American.
Did Dad go bye-bye?
Here's what critics object to. Take the Cold War. They say the standards portray it not as a battle between in high school in Vermont.
Shasta,
Supporter of
stop
the standards,
scratching.
She's one of the 300
Shasta,
teachers
look at Mama.
who helped write them.
Go lay down, girl.
By a loop. Well, here I am, a high school teacher in Middlebury, Vermont, and others like me across the country. Those are our words in those books.
Leave the baby alone. Kelsey, Shasta.
We teach kids only that there are things in our past we should be proud of. Teenagers are too smart.
Kelsey.
The whole thing takes on a tone
Kelsey.
of American society.
Dave Bettini teaches 10th grade world history in Caro Durham High School in upstate New York.
And one of my complaints, for example, with the textbooks we have, is that every chapter has its obligatory paragraphs on women, whether or not there is
Shasta.
talk about it or not.
Bettini, who also took part in the
Hi.
standards, says that there was
Hi.
a politically correct drift to the proceedings.
It's in sync with the liberal elite in the parents. People even laugh at times.
Okay, now look at Grandma.
Frankenstein.
Who are you?
Stand up and show her
Who
your.
are you?
So look at your neat toes. I think she's a pumpkin.
Ooh-wee.
Are you a pumpkin? Tell them what you are. No, what's your costume?
What's your costume? Are you a witchy poo? Like in the cartoons?
What?
Like in the cartoons? Are you a good witch or a bad witch?
A good witch.
Uh-oh, brother's starting to throw a fit.
What are these?
Let's put this one in here.
This is Wesley. He's the younger member of our gang.
And you're my fussy butt.
And there's his mama. Wesley. Say trick or treat. It's Halloween.
He's not in his costume yet.
And there's Samuel, Laura's baby. Laura and Scotty.
And Laura did it all by herself.
Where you going? Samuel!
You ain't got no toys, Mama.
Samuel! Hi! Hi! Hi, big boy!
Say, we gotta get one of those, don't we?
Hi, big boy!
You're cold. Give me that ball.
Wesley and Samuel!
Can you see both of them?
Uh-huh. I got it. I can use these this thing on top to focus in and out.
Get
Hi, guys! Hello, baby boys! Wesley, is big sister helping? Is big sister helping to take care of you?
So yeah, look, this is where Samuel drooled on his head. Got the whole side of his head wet right in here. Do you see it?
They're cousins. First cousins.
Alicia walked behind instead of in front of.
She's alright.
Are you having trouble with your costume? Come here, let mommy fix it. When it starts falling off your shoulders.
Samuel, turn around this way.
Come here, wait. You gotta-
Samuel, turn around this way so I can see you when you're making them faces and talking. Hi, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Wesley.
Right here.
Here's Wesley and Samuel's, what's that thing called? Exerciser? You don't know quite what to think.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Say trick or treats.
Trick or treat.
Okay, wait, ready? Go ahead.
Trick or treat. Mama, give me something good to eat.
Let me see how pretty you look. What are you again?
A witch.
Sing that song one more time.
Trick or
Smile.
trick or treat. Mama, give me something good to eat.
Yay!
Wait, how he's laying.
Alicia's got her candy. Ew, don't smear your eyes. Ooh, make a witchy face. Let me see a witchy face. Make a scary face. That's a depressed looking face. Make me a scary face. Ah, that's a pretty face.
Get me a cake as
Say
fast
bye.
as you can. Boink! Boink! Get that nose. Boink!
Oh, what happened?
Get that noise.
Uh-oh.
Boink, 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 boink. Boink, 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 boink.
So sleepyhead, he decided he had to go night-night.
He was
Wesley!
laying on his hand and his face is red.
Wesley! Are you a football player?
Baseball.
Football player? And there's Sissy, she's a witch.
Yeah, we know. No,
Hi, boy.
can't see your head. You're in the way. Hey, psst.
I'm just gonna kiss him.
The witch and the ball player. Wait a minute. Calm down. He is not a toy. Hold him the way that I told you.
Samuel, honey, don't pull on Grandma's.
Lean up a little
Cord
bit,
here.
Alicia. Sit up, because your hat's too big.
Look at Mama.
Look at Mama.
Samuel's trying to pull the plug out.
Quit leaning back. Sit up.
Samuel, no, baby.
Sit up, you.
Oh, Samuel's mad now. Jesse, Alicia. Hey, look at the baseball player and the witch. Wesley, hey! Hi, babies. Let me see them pretty smiles. There. Oh, look at the witch. Tell them what you're going to say when you knock on the doors.
Trick or treat.
What you got in your mouth? Oh, that's pretty. Ooh, Alicia. Samuel. Say trick or treat. Say trick or treat. Hi, baby.
His eyes always wide like that, like looking around like he's crazy.
Give him a lap, Peppa.
He's like, what's going on, man? You've got dimples. You flirting with Grandpa.
He says, no,
Well,
I'm
he was
just
flirting with
playing.
that little red-haired girl at Kmart the other day. Kmart.
You can't have my potato soup. No. Your mommy will scold us.
Bongo.
Your mama would scold us if I gave you potato soup. Kelsey! Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, little convict. Hi, you little convict.
Little hat that goes with it.
I think Paula put it in a diaper bag. She's having trouble getting up on her knees.
Come see Nana. Come see Nana. Wait a minute.
Behind the ears.
I know, but I'm trying to get her. Alright, stand up. Look at Mama. Holler at her.
Kelsey Ann. Hi, you little convict. Her hat's crooked.
So she's
Kelsey.
Pierre.
Huh? What?
The dog's bitter.
Dog bit her.
She didn't bite me. I had hold of her leash and she turned around.
Well, I can't see you, Pierre.
Kelsey!
Kelsey Ann! Whoa, back a
Scoot
little.
back a little bit. There.
Ha ha! Look at you!
Goodbye.
Ooh, wait.
Patty cake! Okay. Patty cake! Alicia! I see London, I see France, I see somebody's underpants.
Paris prison. Come here, let me fix your bloomers there,
You want
Fred.
me to read it to you?
Come here, Alicia. Let me fix your britches. Tuck that root in your belly back in there.
Yep.
Just calm down, at least. I need a vacation. When you have one.
There.
No. Just let me know as soon as my turn gets here. Mama.